Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I wanted to show you the fabric fire roll again today. Invariably people are going to ask me, like they have probably 100 times over the years, will cotton t-shirt fire roll? And in 10 years of trying, I've only got it to ignite 2 times and didn't get it on camera. So lots of different cotton fabrics will fire roll. What I'm sure to have with me every single day in the summertime is a washcloth. And I feel pretty sure that this is 100% cotton. Let's give it a try. I like to cut about an 8-inch strip that is about 1 inch wide, and I do not roll these borders. There is a hem all the way around this. I'm gonna cut that off. And there's a piece of hem at the top. Let's cut it off. All right, on a fabric fire roll, the leading edge, which is the last edge that you roll up, does not want to stay rolled. So it's helpful if you have some frays on one end that can sort of wrap itself around. That is going to help that leading edge stay captured. All right, plenty of wood ashes on the bottom board. And just a 1/4 teaspoon of ashes on the fire roll, just like when we're using the cotton ball. Roll it up good and tight. Tighten it up with your hand, tighten it up with the board several times, because once again, we're trying to get that leading edge to stay wrapped up. And give it a try. This is going to take several rolls, probably more than 50 rolls. I don't see smoke, but I wanted to show you that it'll have to be wrapped back up and rolled some more. I think I will put a little bit more ash right in it, right down here at the bottom. I don't know why, but this time I feel like it's going to ignite. When I get the feeling that something is going to work, it usually works. I put a whole lot more downward pressure on that one, and you see it made the difference. It's ignited at both ends. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.